Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I just came from the gym and my hair is a mess. it's kind of flat, kind of weird, kind of tangled, and it's long due for a haircut. So you can see, this is that stage where it's a little too long and I'm not getting enough definition, and maybe I've cut a little bit the ends. The curl's gonna have a better pattern. So let's start. What we'll need for this is just very simple: comb, scissors, and a couple of hair ties. So we're gonna start just by the same way we started the first time. If you haven't seen my other video, it just basically just comb it through and put it at the nape, no, not the nape, that's the forehead part of your head. Just make sure it's very, very combed through and very detangled. I prefer using a comb instead of a brush, just because that way we won't break our hair. Right at, and then try to, I'm trying my best here. And then I'm going to use a ponytail and I'm going to secure it. I'm going to make it as tight as possible so that it's very secure and strong. Got water in my eye. Okay. After that, I'm going to comb it again because I have a lot of hair. And I'm going to make another ponytail at the end of the previous ponytail. This is actually what they call unicorn hair or haircut, because it's my big horn. Pretty much. And then you can secure it and see where you're gonna want to have your hair cut. So this weekend's actually my sister-in-law wedding, so I don't wanna make a mistake. This is my first time trying the unicorn haircut, the double unicorn actually, sorry. So I'm very wary about, not cutting too much hair, but it's going to happen regardless. So it is what it is. I'm here chickening out a little bit. So it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. I have big hair. Anyways, then, I'm going to try to take out a little bit of heaviness in the ends and just record a little bit there. Comb it through just to know that everything's gonna, just to make sure that you don't make a big mistake. But I'm just coming through again. I like that length. Pretty good. Good. Okay. Oops, I dropped something. Okay. So now we are gonna do the half portion of the hair, and basically just go right above your ear and try to make as best you can, really. And you can secure the rest of your hair with a ponytail. I didn't do it just because I didn't have that many ponytails. Just try to do the same thing you did in the first time, but with the first half of your hair. Comb it through. Same thing, put a ponytail at the end. However, this time you're gonna cut it in a different way. You're actually gonna cut upwards, just so the shorter layers are at the beginning, or like that. If it makes any sense, the shorter layers are the bottom and the longer layers are the top. of that ponytail thingy. So just, yeah, you're gonna angle your scissor and cut it in a diagonal way upwards. Here we go. See? There you go. I use a ponytail to actually keep it secured. I'm not moving. Now we're gonna take it off, comb your hair again. See if you like the layer, the length, and everything. Yep, love it. Okay. And my longest layer. Pretty good. Okay. And now we are gonna go above and beyond. If you like it like that, you can just leave it like that. But I actually wanted a couple more layers to get more volume. So, yep. I decided I was gonna do another step. And I was gonna get a little more hair. This time, just like my bangs pretty much. First, comb it through. Let's see if I like the layer. Yeah. Okay. A little more hair. And yeah, try to make like a diagonal line with your comb. Again, you can secure the remaining hair with ponytails. I was too lazy for it, but you can always do it to get a better thing. Oh, I actually did it. Future me can't remember what I did. Sorry, guys. Yeah, see how pretty much it's like a straight line, and just gather all the bangs area. Do the same thing, just put a ponytail. This is a lot of looking down in this video. I'm sorry guys, but yeah. And then another ponytail in the end. And again, you're gonna, same thing that you just did, you're gonna, yeah, cut upwards again, okay? Upwards and horizontal. I don't know why I show you the hair, but okay. So I'm still going to take a little bit of weight, and in the ends, a little bit. Time to shake it all off and comb it again. Shortest layers, my longer layers, and my long layers. Okay. Look, I didn't lose any of the length. It just has a bead shape kind of now. So, ready to see the final result? Ta-da! So, this is how it looks like. I'm so excited. I love my haircut. I look like a lion. I don't know. It looks so voluminous. I'm living for it, guys. Yeah. I'm very happy I went through and just caught it, you know. Again, I still can't afford to leave a cut, so I'm very happy. I don't know, I just love it. I know it's a little bit shorter than what I was honestly expecting, so I do recommend to just go slow. But I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment on the video. And I'll see you next time. Look at the layers. I'm just living for it. I'm very happy because I'm not gonna be looking crazy in my sister's-in-law wedding this weekend. But yay! Look at the layers right there. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Have a good day. Love you.